What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter from Panda here. You're trying to get those toilet bowl rings out? Well, I hope you are, so when I come visit, I ain't gross out about it. Hey, I don't really have them, but I actually thought I could use this on some tile that's really showing some scum and stuff like that, especially on the outside of my house where it's been a long winter and now the water is just sitting. But this thing is actually designed for toilet bowl ring removal, and it's kind of interesting here because if you've ever used powder or just the cleaning solution, it just might not be enough to get out some of those really hard stains. Now, this thing is like a Pumice scrub brush, and I really wanted to just check it out because I'm actually not really sure that I feel comfortable that this thing would work on toilet bowls. I'm not sure how durable porcelain is. I mean, I think it's pretty durable, but I'm also kind of curious about this pumice stone, how, hard it is. All right, got it unboxed here, and actually I'm starting to feel a little bit better about it because it's super light, so the thing is not dense at all. It's kind of airy. It's kind of this block of airy, stone, it almost feels like. But it almost feels a little bit to me like those sea sponge loofahs. Like, if this gets wet, I'm kind of assuming it's going to get kind of soft because it's so thin. Now, is it abrasive? You bet. I mean, I can feel it, but it's so light, and I can kind of push my fingernail into it, if you can see that, right? So this thing is going to give a little bit, and I bet it's going to work pretty decently for, scrubbing toilet. So I'm just going to wet this down here and see what it looks like. So I've got it in the sink here. I'm just going to turn on some water and wet this thing down a little bit because presumably you'll have this wet before you use it. And interesting. All right, it's not getting like squishier by any means, but it does, like under my fingernail, it does kind of disintegrate. So see what I mean there? So I actually feel like this could work for that. But if you have any kind of really hard stain where something like a magic eraser isn't getting it done, I think this little block of pumice scraper could be a nice little fix for it. You definitely have to make sure that the underlying material, say it's porcelain or ceramic tile or something like that, is hard enough that it's going to resist this. But pretty interesting. I've never seen anything like it before. I'm glad I'm checking it out. I'll put a link to it in the description if you want to check one out too. Peter from Panda out.